In this video I will talk about Take-Two Interactive software with ticker TTWO. We will check the presentation super fast and I will predict the price of this stock for 2022 and 2023. Take-Two Interactive have several companies in it, and here you can see the biggest one. It is ROCKSTAR, 2K, Private Division and T2 Mobile Games. Creativity, innovation, efficiency, world-class creative teams, 12 series with individual titles that have sold in over 5 million units, and 5 million units, it is awesome. And we will talk about all of these titles. Plus they have some free mobile games, and they are awesome too. What I don't really like is that their headcount growing extremely fast, and you can see like 6,000 people, and they are hiring really fast. It is close to double in 2 years. Not really good for the margin. Global video game market, 5% expected CAGR, super hard market, and it is not growing fast. There were 3.0 billion global video game players in 2021, 4% total global video games players CAGR expected 2021 to 2024, 31 years old average age of a gamer. Plus they really like to watch how people actually playing, because it is easier than to play it by yourself. But from the other side they're writing that if people are watching on Twitch or on YouTube, actually some of people buying after. 90% of video game players in the United States expect to continue playing after social distancing is no longer required. 10 internal studios, ROCKSTAR Games, and I hope you played in a Grand Theft Auto 5, 4, San Andreas and online. And you can see that Grand Theft Auto Online free with every copy of Grand Theft Auto 5, and standalone version quite new, launched March 15th, 2022. Grand Theft Auto 5 over 165 million units sold to date, and it is mind-blowing. Actually, I like this series. It is awesome game, and you just have to play to feel how it is. I started to play from Grand Theft Auto 1, I think it was in 2D. Second one, bestseller, The Red Dead Redemption. It is awesome game too, and just Google some sneaky mechanics in this game, and it is absolutely mind-blowing. And 20 years ago no one think about that it is possible in games. Plus they have some interesting virtual reality experience, like in LA Noire, Midnight Club, racing genre, and they are thinking about Max Payne. The second one, it is 2K, and most games related to sports and NBA, plus they're paying some royalties to NBA. Borderlands 3, Bioshock, Civilization, XCOM, PGA Tour, Mafia, WWE 2K and WWE 2K Battlegrounds. It is a pick up and play experience. Private Division, and I think mostly it is not super popular games, but anyway, it is nice that they're acquiring other companies. Successful mobile acquisitions like Social Point from Barcelona, then Playdots with their blockbuster New York 2013, and Nordeus 2010, Serbia, Dragon City, Monster Legends, Two Dots, and Top 11, the world's most successful mobile soccer management game. Here you can see the strategy, and I don't really like it, because It is quite hard to make something good in this niche. Plus, I don't really like Zynga because it is related to poker, and it is just a garbage from my point of view. Here you can see Pipeline and mobile Grand Theft Auto trilogy on a mobile. Don't think that it can be popular. Subscriptions, free-to-play, standalone titles, maybe it can generate some money. Launchers from ROCKSTAR and 2K, 14% net booking CAGR, and you can see that actually 71% coming from console, mobile only 12% and PC 17%, and they are focusing on mobile, but console make unreal amount of money right now. I think it is a little bit a weak position. Here you can see May 16th, 2022 report, and it is for fiscal year 2022. They have a shift. Fiscal year 2023 ending March 31st, 2023, shift for 1 quarter. GAAP net revenue increased 11% for $930 million, and net revenue for NBA, Grand Theft Auto, Grand Theft Auto 5, Tina's Wonderlands, Red Dead Redemption 2 and online, and other games. Fiscal year 2022 financial highlights: net revenue increased only 4%. Outlook for fiscal 2023, and starting from the whole year: net revenue $3.7 billion, and it is not actually a huge number, because this year was 3.5. It is not even 10% revenue growth rate. 3 month ending June 30, 810 to 850, and it is stagnation. It is a stagnation for second quarter 2020. And now we're coming to interesting part, prediction. If we are checking this company on a Guru Focus, you can see that Guru Focus value $162, and now it is 110. Actually, it is lower for 31%, and if it bounce back, we can make money on it. But it is not that simple, because I really don't like this company. First of all, future revenue growth rate by analysts only 11%. It is stable but super slow. Plus they have $2.7 billion in cash. Here you can see the profit margin, and it is 15%. We can expect that it will grow in the future because they're shifting to online games, and we hope it will be better. With profit margin 20% and a revenue growth rate 10%, I think a fair value for this company somewhere from price to sales 2. And we can tenfold our money in 12 years. And now I will just open TradingView and push price to sales 2. Here you can see the model, and it is super sad because these numbers actually related to 2016. And now I'm expecting minus 40% in this stock. It is a little bit sad. Average price to sales 4.5. I think that is because they published some really cool games. And even if we adjust price to sales to 3, we're getting fair value $93, and it is minus 14% right now. And unrealistic number price to sales 4, only 13% expected return right now. It is definitely not interesting for me, because I have better ideas, and with price to sales 4, you can wait for 16 years to tenfold your money, it is definitely very slow.